All right, y'all. Strange event. So the power went out, and it was out for about 40 minutes. Not only that, what do y'all hear but don't you see? You hear the cicadas, right? But guess what we don't see? There are no birds in the sky. That pine tree has one branch on it that is bare. There's your sun simulator. Once again, there are no birds in the sky, but you hear the cicadas. Wow. Power went out, there are no birds. Okay, you hear two birds or maybe one, but the birds are always in the sky, flying around. No birds in the sky.